Hello, my name is John Barker, and I am the managing partner at WMC Business Services LLC. And in California, we're known as WMC Integrated Insurance Services LLC. The purpose of this short video presentation is to introduce the WMC Transportation Program. WMC Business Services LLC is a multi-line insurance agency. We are also a risk management and business consulting firm. We have a background in developing programs for groups and specific industries. Specifically, we work with health insurance and benefits, workers' compensation, and we have a very unique program of cost containment both for workers' comp and for health insurance. For health insurance and benefits, for those employers who are in the state of Washington through WMC Business Services LLC, you can now have access to the BIAW Health Insurance Trust, which is a Regions Trust and has very strong pricing for Washington employers. Everywhere else, we use a very unique risk-sharing model that we have developed that has been saving employers 10 to 30%. We also have a number of refund programs that if we can help control healthcare costs, that the company can receive refunds on their health insurance at the end of the year. We also use a very aggressive program through a TPA partner that has been saving companies 40 to 80% on their company's health insurance program. The WMC Discount Health Program was designed specifically for the transportation industry. We also use it to teach individuals, families, and employers of all types how to control healthcare costs using this program. It's an affordable addition to your benefits program. It uses expanded access to providers, especially while on the road. It offers expanded treatment choices. It's good for the entire family. And like I said, it helps individuals, families, and employers control healthcare costs while it's being used. The WMC Build Your Own Benefit program is an entire benefits program for all employees, including part-time, seasonal, and owner-operators who may work for your company. It's good as an alternative for dependent coverage when you have low participation with dependents and also as an alternative for COBRA coverage. It's a nice way to enhance your entire benefits program with no cost to the employer, and we can do so while helping control costs for the company and the employees. The WMC Healthcare Cost Containment Program has been developed over the past few years. It's a program with a combination of wellness and action programs to encourage change in behavior to lower healthcare costs. Our delivery system is based on education and freedom of expanded treatment choices for employees and their dependents. And it's designed to lower healthcare and health insurance costs for companies as well as costs for workers' compensation. The WMC Wellness and Fitness Program is part of our healthcare cost containment program. We have a very unique smoking reduction and cessation program that's been designed specifically for those who wish to reduce their smoking or continue on and quit completely. We have a number of weight loss programs. Ava Waits is our nutritional consultant who's developed some very unique nutritional resources for those busy individuals and especially those who are on the road. We've noticed that healthcare costs are going up because of the financial uncertainty in our economy. Well, a part of our financial wellness program is our supplemental retirement program. It takes some of the risk out of the retirement program, helps accumulate more, and especially keep more when you go to retire. We have a very unique college funding program. We have an attorney firm that helps with credit and debt negotiations, and we have affinity and rewards programs to help with family budgets. We also work with a number of executive benefits, key man, deferred comp, defined benefit, multi-life long-term care, and disability income, split dollar, and it's very important that owners are key personnel too. When it comes down to business insurance, we work very closely with Totem agencies out of Kirkland, Washington. They're a very experienced staff used to working in the transportation industry. They provide all lines of coverage to companies both big and small, physical damage and liability, general liability, cargo, workers' compensation, and all the different types of coverage for the transportation industry. They're very experienced in developing specific programs when standard programs are not a complete fit for your company. WMC Business Services LLC is the business specialist that works with credit insurance. It helps protect your receivables and also protect your company and your ability to borrow. WMC Business Services LLC also has a number of additional business services that we offer that we hope will help your company's bottom line. We are a commercial asset-based lending program. We have a third party that we work with that can lend money off of your receivables for factoring, ACH for leasing, for property, and we can do this for established firms and for startups. The WMC Payroll Services Program is a state-of-the-art system. It's usually been saving companies 30 to 50%. And when you do call in about a quote, ask about the module that we use to help lower healthcare costs. And we have a very aggressive merchant services program. There's a bonus that we'll pay if we cannot meet or beat your current pricing. If you'd like additional information on any of our programs to see if they could help your company and your employees, please contact me, John Barker, toll free 888-334-2334 and at extension 101. Or you can email me at john@wmcbusinessservices.com or visit our websites at wmcbusinessservices.com or our California website, wmciis.com.